We can see two words on the screen. We usually pronounce them preposition and preparation. But native English speakers don't usually pronounce them this way. They usually pronounce them preposition, preparation. Please repeat after me. Preposition, preparation. স্ক্রিনে থাকা শব্দ দুটোকে আমরা সাধারণত উচ্চারণ করে থাকি প্রিপোজিশন অথবা প্রিপারেশন, কিন্তু নেটিভ ইংলিশ স্পিকারসরা এইভাবে উচ্চারণ করছে না, তারা বলছেন preposition and preparation. You see, যেখানে আমরা প্রি উচ্চারণ করছি প্রিপোজিশন, তারা বলছেন preposition, preparation. Please repeat after me. Preposition, preparation. Let's make some sentences with these two words. He's going to talk about preposition. He's going to talk about preposition. I don't have much preparation. I don't have much preparation. That's all for today. I think you'll be able to pronounce these two words perfectly. And you know one thing, we are always beside you, help you improve your English skills. We offer 4 different courses as preparation, English for juniors, spoken English and pronunciation, grammar and writing. You can join any of our courses. Join us and master your skills.